When I think about losing weight, the first thing I like to do is evaluate my current situation, asking myself where I am in relation to where I eventually want to be. Then I ask myself what my goals are. Am I trying to be healthier, look better, feel better, or some combination of the three? Do I want to build strength or work on stamina and endurance? Do I have a specific weight in mind, or will I shift to maintaining a size or form after I achieve it? Though it may feel tedious, I know that all of these questions will help me to narrow down my destination and plan accordingly. After that, I take a good long look at my current habits, including my diet and exercise routine. I do some research online or with people in my circle who have achieved their fitness goals and make notes of what things to do or not do, which foods to cut out or increase, and how to properly space out my goals in a way that's both achievable and healthy for me. Weight loss may be a decent aim, but only when it occurs in a healthy and controlled way. Finally, I begin making changes to my lifestyle, starting slow and ramping up as I become accustomed to it. I start exercising a few times a week for 10 to 30 minutes at a time and increase either the intensity or the days as I progress. I begin altering my diet to fit my new aim, which may involve cutting out sweet or salty treats and preparing meals in advance so that I don't fall victim to sudden snack attacks during the day. Then, I adjust everything as needed and wait to see the changes to my body and overall health. As this process is a marathon, not a sprint, I know that it'll take time, dedication, and focus, but with all three, I know I'll eventually reach my goals.